Okay, VanGang, let's get straight into an unboxing of this hair that I got from Ayiyi hair. So when you first open up the package, of course the hair is going to be in a separate Ziploc bag from your goodies. Okay, so the first thing you get is a box of eyelashes, and this is what it looks like. Very professional, very nice looking. These are some cute lashes. Alright, and then you get a bag of goodies, and inside was some more lashes as well as an edge brush. Mine was purple. You might get a different color. Okay, and the next thing that I pulled out was a satin hair tie, blinged out feather hair clip, which is just so freaking pretty. It was good quality. Alright, and the last thing inside is a nude wig cap. So now let's get into what the hair looks like. So this is a deep curly transparent lace front. Okay, and this is what the inside looks like. It is 180% density. It's 22 inches. It has adjustable straps as well as an elastic band and 4 combs. So it is fully customized. Okay, let's get straight into styling. So I already washed this unit off camera, and this is what it looks like with no product in it. I also wore this unit before, so I don't have to cut any of the excess lace off or add any baby hair because it's already there. All right, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be clipping my hair back so that it doesn't get in the way, and I'm going to secure this unit using the Got to Be Glued Blasting Freezing Spray. Alright, so after about 10 minutes of it, you know, me letting that sit down, I decided to do my baby hairs. Again, I'm working on the baby hairs that were already there. Okay, so I'm just going over what's there. I'm not curling it. I'm literally just going to take some of this to mold the baby hair before I add the Got to Be Glued. All right, and that is basically mousse. It's Lotta Body mousse. And then after I am done kind of molding my baby hair the way I want, I'm gonna kind of like take some more of that mousse to kind of move my hair going backwards so that I could secure this down with the elastic band one more time. Okay, so it's time to remove that elastic band and see what I'm working with. Okay, those baby hairs are laid, and you can leave it like this, but I decided to do 2 braids in the front. Okay, so you don't have to do this, but like I said, I have 180% density, and it just felt like too much is in my face, and I wanted it to be kind of like behind my ear. So I just separated it into 2 parts. But I just start with this one part because I already have a middle part, and I'm going to put some of that Lotta Body mousse on the hair after I brush it out. Okay, and I'm gonna comb it out some more just to wet it so that my fingers can go straight through the hair. And then I'm going to add 1 cornrow to this side, and then I'm gonna repeat the step on the other side. Okay, so I'm not trying to do it neat. I'm just trying to do like a braid. Okay, I did not want it to be completely neat. I wanted some messiness, and you'll see at the end I tried to add it to make it a little bit more messy because it still looks neat to me. Okay, and I did have some struggles. Next time I won't wet it. I would rather just brush it out and do this step dry. So moving on, I just repeated the same step to this side of the head, and then I added some mousse once I got to the end of the braid, just so that the curls could pop at the end of the braid and blend in with the rest of the curly hair in the back. Okay, so that's why I'm adding the mousse now. But yeah, after that I kind of like added mousse to the top, just kind of like just taming anything that was kind of like frizzy. And then I fluffed out the curls, and that is pretty much it for this. And I also did spray a little bit more of that Got To Be Glued right there in the front, just to secure the wig in the front, because I was braiding, so it lifted a little bit. All right, so and this last part, I just kind of like wanted to make the braids a little bit more messy, so I was like pulling them. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial. Let's get into the specs and my overall thoughts of this unit. Okay, I am back, and this is the look, y'all. I love it. This is a very sophisticated look. It has always been a sophisticated look to me. The two braids in the front with the rest out like in the back, to me it has always been sophisticated, like that look. It's like, girl, I'm going to the library. But yeah, I just love it. This is my first time doing this style. So I've been liking playing with the curly hair with braids, like incorporating braids into curly hair. It has been really working out and looking really nice on me. I love this. It looks so natural, sheesh. But anyway, let's get into it. So this is the deep curly transparent lace front wig from Ayiyi Hair, and this is in 22 inches. This unit is 180% density, okay? 180% density. So I washed this unit because I have been wearing this wig, okay? So in this video, I was kind of like just restyling the wig, and I had it sitting there so the curls are a little bit more plush. I did like kind of like, you know, just kind of shake it out a little bit, so the curls are a little bit more plush. And I have no product in it whatsoever, but when I started to style the braids, I decided to put a little bit of product. So that's when I decided to use the Lotta Body, okay? So this hair is in 22 inches and stretched out. It comes like right here. This hair can be straightened. You could pretty much do anything to this hair. It's virgin hair, and it will revert back to being curly. So as far as the shedding, I have not been getting a whole bunch of shedding. Again, when I have curly hair, I'm not sitting there trying to run my fingers or brushes or anything like that through it. No tangling because it is curly. Snagging, again, I don't deal with that. Matting up, I don't deal with, because I do my curly hair routine every other day with this hair, okay? This hair can be lifted to about a number 27 if you decide to color it. It can be flat ironed, like I said. The wash routine is pretty easy. I use the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner on it. And this hair, because the curl is so beautiful and defined, like you don't need to put anything to define the curl. The curl is already defined. I don't put any other products in the hair. My overall rating will be a 10 out of 10. When I tell y'all this wig is fire and 180% density, like these companies only give you 150. This one came at 180% density. You have a lot of hair to play around with. As you can see, my hair is still extremely full, and I did 2 braids in the front, okay? So when I first wore it, I was wearing it with the middle part with it all out, but I decided to do the 2 braids in the front in this video because the curls were a little bit more fresh and plush. Normally when I do my curly hair routine, I put the wig on as soon as that hair is dry, because you know, the longer you have it sitting, like this has been sitting like this for like a week, so the longer it's sitting like that, it gets plush and more plush and more plush and more big. So that's why it looks like this. This hair is an absolute go, okay? So go to the site. I'm gonna have all the links down in the bottom bar for Ayiyi Hair. This wig is gorgeous, and it literally just melts. Like, it is very low maintenance hair, and it is gorgeous. I would definitely recommend this hair, and I give it a 10 out of 10. So I'm gonna have all the links to Ayiyi Hair down in the bottom bar, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this style. Have you tried this style? Will you try this hair? Do you like the hair? Just let me know down. Let's chat down in the comments, girls. I'm back. I'm back, and y'all gonna be seeing me every week now, okay? But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you till my next video. Bye, y'all.